Hello everyone, welcome in our online class. Myself Mrs. Arif Inamdar, Associate Professor. Today we are going to see a topic from Chemical Kinetics. SYBSc Semester 3rd, Paper 2nd, Unit 1st. Name of the chapter is Chemical Kinetics. So shall we start? At beginning, all of you learn types of complex chemical reaction. So most of the chemical reactions are found to be complex in nature. Equilibrium of the most of them lies on the product side. They also considered to have undergone completions. Decomposition of N2O5 or iodide are such example. They are classified as first A, reversible or opposing reaction. Second B, consecutive reaction, and third is parallel reaction. At beginning, all of you learn reversible or opposing reaction. So what is meant by reversible or opposing reaction? In this reaction, reactants from unstable products which decompose back to the reactant initially. The rate of the forward reaction is high, but as a product formation increases, the rate of the backward reaction also rises. Finally, equilibrium is established given definite ratio of product to reactant concentration. It is called constant K of the reaction. So A having equilibrium constant K1 equal to B. So K1 and K2 is equilibrium constant for K1 and K2. So B by A is equal to K, also equal to K1 by K2. Example of opposing reaction is twice HI equal to H2 plus I2. So they are related to K1 by K2. Next reaction is consecutive reaction. What is meant by consecutive reaction? Reaction in which final product is formed by one or more steps is called consecutive reaction. They are also called sequential reaction. Various types can be written as follows: A equal to B, B equal to C. See, K1 and K2 is rate of equation for K1, first reaction, second K2. It is clear. A0 is initial concentration of reactant A is equal to concentration of A plus concentration of B plus concentration of C. So concentration of A is decreases continuously. Concentration of C is increases continuously, but concentration of B increasing and then decreases. Maximum concentration of B can be calculated by the rate equation dB by dt equal to K1 A minus K2 B. A is concentration of A, concentration of B is equal to at the particular moment. For example, CH3 OCH3 K1 equal to CH3 plus HCH3 K2 H2 plus CO. This is the second example of reaction. Parallel side reaction, decomposition. In this reaction, the reactant follows two or more paths to form multiple products. The preferential rate of such reaction can be changed by alternating the condition like pressure, temperature or catalyst. The maximum yield product is A equal to B, minor product is formed. Also A equal to C, major product, as well as C, minor product, having a K2. Overall the rate constant is given by K is equal to K1 plus K2. So what is meant by K1? K1 is rate constant of A equal to B, and K2 is rate constant of A equal to C. Example of parallel decomposition: C2H5Br plus KOH equal to CH2 double bond CH2 plus KBr plus H2O, C2H5OH plus KBr. Thank you.